on, guys? I'm actually back here again where I recently shot my last video. I hope all you guys had a very good Christmas. It's the Christmas after, so today's the 26th and it's my day off, so I decided to make a little video. So since I already made the top 3 mod video, I figured I might as well make the top 3 things that I hate about this car. And since we're already over here towards the front, let's talk about this front fender real quick. So the first thing I hate about this car has to be, I guess, the age. The age is catching up with the car. There's some cracking starting to happen right along the upper part of the fender right here. I know it's nothing serious, but when I first got the car, there was just a tiny bit cracking, and now it started to spread. So I'm gonna have to hit up the body shop for that sometime soon before it starts cracking some more. So this stuff is gonna happen, and especially with Subarus because the paint is really thin and delicate. But so that's the first thing. All right, now the second thing that I hate about this car the most has to be the rattling of the interior. It's not a Subaru unless it rattles, and that's infatuated with this car. Right now I'm kind of dealing with a problem where there's something rattling behind this plastic cover right over here. Maybe there's like a loose clip or something, so I'm gonna have to remove this entire piece again and kind of see what the issue is going on. Now another thing that I'm dealing with is, and there's another car pulling up over here, look. Oh my god, these guys. On top of that, I'm also dealing with something below the steering column. There's something loose around this plastic cover over here. I'm actually going to take this entire department off and just see if there's anything under there, maybe like a screw or something that's loose. It's super annoying, especially when I'm driving around town. Now the thing is, I do daily drive my car for the most part. I usually drive it between 4 to 5 times a week. If I don't drive this car, I usually just take public transportation to work, but I do try my very best to keep up with it. I love cleaning the car, I like making it look good, but you know, I do daily drive it. Check it out how kind of dirty it is under the side skirts and on top of the side skirts too. Yo, what show car? Look how dirty it is. All that's grime. But the wheels for some reason look super clean right now, but they're not. See, there's a bunch of dirt and grime under here. See that? I don't know, it's not a lot, but I mean, it's there. Car is filthy and dirty, but you know what? I built the car to have fun and enjoy it. There's no purpose of the car sitting in the garage if I'm not gonna enjoy it, right? All this money that I put into the car, I better be enjoying it. You know, life's too short to just let it sit there. You know, you build it to enjoy it. You build it to drive it. Despite it being dirty right now, it's still kind of shining, especially when the sunlight hits it. Now, the third thing I hate about this car has to do with the fender over here, with the driver's side fender. The paint is actually chipping off, and it's starting to bug me. It first started with this part of the fender, starting to peel off, and then it started to spread. I'm gonna have to get that repainted soon, unfortunately, because touch-up is not doing any good. I'd start touching it up again and then it starts peeling off. I need to get this fixed sooner than later. I don't want this spreading or causing any issues. So besides that, there's not really anything I really hate about this car. Just small stuff like paint and bodywork. So I guess when I have this fender painted, I might as well get the driver one too. I don't know if you guys knew this, but my car was involved in a hit and run about 2 to 3 months ago. The body shop did replace the rear driver's side door, so they also fixed some of the damage on the rear quarter panel. But overall, I think it came out pretty damn good. The paint looks very close to the OEM paint. If not, they look identical. Here, let me kind of show you guys in the sunlight kind of what I'm talking about. So for comparison, for the paint job and the paint quality, this is the OEM paint on the trunk right here, and then the brand new paint from the body shop is this guy right here, the rear quarter panel. They look identical, and this is straight in the sunlight. I'm super happy with the quality job. Shout out to the guy who painted the car. Did a really good job and made me super happy to see the results. So the first thing I hate on the car is the cracking of the paint on the passenger side. Second thing I hate is the rattling of the interior, and third is the chipping of the paint of the driver's side fender. I know they're super small things, but honestly, there's not really a lot that I hate about this car. It's super fun to drive. I haven't had any bad experiences with the car. And yeah, guys, catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. Peace out, guys. Until next time.